Today, I want to take you on a journey back in time, to a pivotal moment in American history, when our 16th president, Abraham Lincoln, issued a proclamation, a Thanksgiving proclamation that continues to resonate with the values of unity, gratitude, and resilience. Imagine yourself in the year 1863. The United States was in the middle of the Civil War. This conflict tore the nation apart, and the very idea of unity seemed distant, if not impossible. In the midst of this turmoil, Abraham Lincoln made a remarkable decision, and on October 3rd, he declared a national day of thanksgiving and praise. Now, why is this proclamation so significant? It wasn't just about feasting on turkey and cranberry sauce. It was a powerful message of hope during a time of division and strife. In his proclamation, he called upon Americans to set aside the last Thursday in November as a day for, quote, thanksgiving and praise to our beneficent Father who dwelleth in the heavens, unquote. Lincoln's words were a reminder of the importance of gratitude, even in the darkest of times. He acknowledged the many blessings that our nation had received, even as it was torn asunder by this conflict. The act of declaring a day of thanksgiving was a courageous step towards healing and reconciliation. Moreover, Lincoln's proclamation emphasized the idea of national unity. He encouraged Americans to come together, to set aside their differences, and to remember that, despite the war, despite the conflict, they were still one nation. He understood that a united nation was essential for recovery and progress. But it wasn't just about unity and gratitude. Lincoln's proclamation was also a call to resilience. He knew that the journey towards healing and reunification would be long and arduous. But he believed in the strength and resilience of the American people. He understood that by acknowledging our blessings, we could find the strength to endure even the most challenging times. In the end, Lincoln's Thanksgiving proclamation was a message of hope, unity, gratitude, and resilience. It serves as a reminder that even in the most challenging of times, we can find reasons to be thankful, to come together, and to overcome adversity. So as we gather with our loved ones this and each Thanksgiving, let us remember the wisdom of Abraham Lincoln and this Thanksgiving proclamation. Let us be thankful for the blessings we have. Let us strive for unity in a diverse nation, and let us find resilience to face any challenges that come our way. In the spirit of Lincoln's proclamation, may we continue to give thanks, embrace unity, and stand resilient in the face of adversity. Happy Thanksgiving. Testing.